In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize text animations in Canva. First, start by selecting the exact text box you want to animate. Click directly on the text so you see its bounding box and editing handles. If you have multiple text elements, make sure you're only selecting the one you want. If the selection feels tricky because items are grouped, ungroup them first so you can target a single text box without changing anything else. With your text selected, look to the top of the editor and open the Animate panel. You'll usually see an Animate button appear as soon as text is selected. Click it to reveal all the animation options that are made for text. This is where the fun begins. Next, choose a text animation style. You'll see familiar options like fade, typewriter, pop, and burst, among others. Each one creates a different mood. Fade is subtle and professional. Typewriter adds a storytelling vibe. Pop brings playful energy, and burst is bold and attention-grabbing. Click through a few styles to see instant previews. Don't worry, you can change your mind at any time. If you want more control, adjust the speed of the animation using the speed slider on the right. Dragging it slower gives your audience more time to read or feel the effect, while a faster speed can make things snappier. A quick tip: match the speed to the tone of your project. Longer paragraphs generally benefit from slower animations, while short headlines can handle something quicker. If your design has multiple pages and you want a consistent look, you can apply the animation to every page in the project using the Apply to All Pages option. This is great for cohesive slide decks or multi-scene videos. Just remember that applying to all pages will replace other text animations, so use it when you want a unified style across the board. Before you finalize anything, preview your work. Click Play to watch the animation from start to finish. Observe how the text enters, how readable it feels at the chosen speed, and whether it fits the pacing of your content. Make any tweaks you need by revisiting the style or speed. When you're happy, it's time to download. Go to Share, select Download, then choose MP4 for a standard video file or GIF if you want a short, looping animation without sound. Confirm your settings, export, and you're done. That's it. Your text is now animated, polished, and ready to share.